In this video, I want to show you real quick how I get better at using AI to help me make money online every day. So I have a product for sale. It's called the Prompt Psyops AI Command Black Book. There's a link in the description. It's going to take you over to the Prompt Psyops AI Command Black Book self-grading quiz generator. This is a bonus for the product, but I'm giving you this before you actually purchase the product. Or if you already have the product, all you need to do is scroll down and you'll see that this prompt that I'm giving you is going to build a quiz for you. And when you get down to step one, there will be a video right here. It's still processing in the background as I make this video. And of course, if you don't have your copy of the AI Command Black Book from Prompt Psyops, that's going to show you how to stop typing prompts and start commanding intelligence from your AI to help you make money online every day. And this is exactly what I do. You can get your copy right here by clicking this blue button. Then once you do that, you're just going to copy the prompt, then you're going to upload the Google Doc to your LLM of choice. And I say you're going to upload the Google Doc because this product right here, the Prompt Psyops AI Command Black Book, the AI Command Black Book is a digital download. You're going to get a Google Doc right here, and you can take this Google Doc and you can upload it into just about any that I know of right now, free generative AI out there, LLM, large language model, where you want to chat with a resource like the Prompt Psyops AI Command Black Book. You can upload at least one file, even in the free ones. And what that looks like is this right here. I have connected my Google Drive. So down here in Gemini, I click Add from Drive. And when I click Add from Drive, I've synced up my Google Drive and I have access to all my documents. And you'll do the same because you're going to make a copy of this file right here once you purchase it. Then you're going to enter this prompt. This prompt right here is going to kick off a quiz. And like I said, the link in the description takes you over to the Prompt Psyops AI Command Black Book self-grading quiz generator. And what you're going to do is you're going to initiate a quiz right here just by following these 5 simple steps to get to the point where you run the prompt, take the quiz, and then you understand that this works because you don't learn prompts by watching them. You learn by commanding them, by commanding the AI. There's also a Prompt Psyops challenge checklist here. Follow through with that, and also access to my client Facebook group if you are to pick up a copy. If you click this button right here and you head over to the sales page, what you'll see right here is exactly that, a sales page to pick up during the launch. It's at a launch price right now. You can just scroll through here and see exactly what this is. But essentially what you're getting is a complete plug and play prompt system designed to help you sell faster, teach smarter, and create high converting content with AI to make money online as a marketer, as a content creator that is a marketer. Oh yeah, you also get full PLR or private label rights to this. So meaning once you're inside of the document, what you can do with this is you can rebrand it and sell it as your own AI product, turn it into a workshop or a course, teach the material in your own mastermind or challenge, or you can just use it to start making money online, which is exactly what I do. Every day, I use AI in some form or fashion to make money online. Of course, this all follows along inside of my affiliating profitable online business, following my proven top strategy to get traffic to an offer and add people to an email list. Once I pick a topic and understand certain tools taking time, like the technology that we have available to us now with all the AI coming on the scenes, but we need to spend the time to master that to create consistent content and then do the rest of all these steps right here to build an email list and to ultimately get over here to profit and scale. And we do that again, link in the description. Pop over, I'm giving you this bonus. Even if you don't pick up the Command AI Black Book from Prompt Psyops, you can read through this and it'll give you an idea about what I'm doing here inside of the LLM, where I just load up a resource. Because if you want to learn something and you develop your own resource or notes and you want to reinforce those notes, you can load those up and you can use this prompt, just modify it a little bit, load up a trusted document that you have, a trusted source, your own notes or something that you buy, whether it's from me or someone else. And then what will happen is it will give you the information back from this prompt. It's going to list, in this case, the modules that are available inside of the AI Command Black Book. And then you're going to pick a module. In this case, I picked module 6, and it's going to give me a little summary here. It's going to give me a quiz, and then I'm going to have the answer key, and then I'm going to self-grade myself. And all I'm going to do then is move along. And of course, if you want examples, you are in the generative AI, so you can ask it for examples. You might need to get a little more clear. Also, another note, like if you were to paste in my prompt or any prompt and it comes back and it does something like this, where it says, I apologize, but I am unable to directly scan the content of a specific module within the attached Google Doc, or gives you any kind of error and you think that this error is incorrect, just have a conversation with the AI at that point. And this is the point of this video and everything that I do inside of Prompt PsyOps is the focus is on understanding that you're working with a tool as the assistant, but sometimes it's going to misunderstand, or at the time, it's going to misinterpret its own ability to get a task done. So you just say, I don't understand this limitation. I think you can, please proceed. Then you can see here, right? Guess what? It said, oh yeah, it can. And it started the quiz. This is just a little tip here to make sure that you understand that sometimes the LLM hallucinates that it can do certain things or will give you certain types of information. Sometimes it will hallucinate and it will apologize and say it can't do certain things. And then you just have to have a conversation with it, push back a little bit and say, I don't understand this. I'm pretty sure you can do this. I've done it before or I've seen someone else do it. So let's go ahead and take care of this right now. Again, link in the description, the Prompt PsyOps AI Command Black Book Self-Grading Quiz Generator. There's a link there. Check out the video. Check out what I'm doing with the quiz. Check out how I am using AI or how I am becoming a master of AI by understanding the commands from, as in this example, the AI Command Black Book, where I'm not just typing in prompts anymore that someone gives me, right? I am learning and I'm starting to command intelligence from my artificial intelligence of choice. In this case, I showed you Gemini, but ChatGPT works just as well. All the other free ones out there, whichever one you use, pick it. Also, let me know which one you like the best here in the comments. And link in the description, check out the Prompt PsyOps AI Command Black Book Self-Grading Quiz Generator. I think you'll like it, as well as the AI Command Black Book. Link in the description. Thanks for being here, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.